So basically, we have kind of a problem. So I already started your vlog off, right?
Uh-oh!
Guess what I forgot at home?
What'd you forget? My hard drive.
Yeah.
Forgot the hard drive!
Which is literally like the most important part.
Alright guys, so my sister completely slacked, but I will say I did tell her, hold on, no talking. I did tell her that I was bringing her here yesterday. So yesterday she got word that we were going to be flying her out here. So she literally forgot everything, but I don't really care. We're going viral. We're pulling up to Walmart to grab a couple of items. One thing I want to share with you guys is keep your guys' hands washed. Make sure you guys are staying personal hygiene. You guys are taking showers. We're gonna grab this stuff and make it happen.
Success.
We live in sunny Scottsdale. It's beautiful out. It's quiet. It's a quiet town. It's a quiet city right now because ain't nobody doing anything. We're heading into the office. We're gonna do the dang thing. Alright guys, I am posting a new YouTube video right now on how to get into the ATM business for $0. Go ahead and post that. I got these new computer glasses because I was wondering the last couple of days, like my head's been hurting, but all I do is stare at a screen majority of the day. The world right now, you look amazing. Let's roll. It's a quiet day in the office today. We got Maria. We got Tyler. We got Cody. Nobody else is here. Frederick's gone. Got Zib. You guys see the updates? Got Noah here. The man, the myth.
What's good?
This whole epidemic of stuff going down, I think is a great time for individuals to actually leverage being able to stay at home, work from home, being able to leverage to take time out of their days to actually focus on things that might need to get done, right? I'm in the restroom real quick. Stay there, guys. 1 second. Make sure to wash your hands. Stay clean. Now, what I was sharing with you guys, people need to dial in the things they need to dial in. You know, if you needed to read more books, now's your time to read more books. If you needed to, you know, focus on bringing in more employees, focus on more, you know, bringing in more employees. If you needed to focus on your content on Instagram, focus on your content on Instagram. If you needed to focus on, you know, your personal health and actually fitness and eating right and things like that, then that's the stuff that you guys should be focusing on. Take advantage of the times that we're in right now. Take advantage rather than sit at home and watch freaking Netflix, which Netflix isn't gonna do anything for you but waste your time and waste your life. Start choosing to do something that is going to better you guys in a time like this. Here's the workspace. I'm digging this plant. This plant is sick. I never even knew how sick this plant is, sis. You like that? The cord down the TV completely derails me. Everything else is bad. I painted this wall. It looks terrible, but it's all good. We're gonna bust out some work. It's Monday today, so it's a little bit of a slower day just because the world is slower right now. Got a couple of things that we gotta go do. We're going to Chipotle.
Yeah!
3 ATMs delivered at the office today. We are still in business, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys are not excited or fired up, then you guys better.
No. Put the seatbelt on.
Sisters make me put on the seatbelt. I'll show you guys these 3 ATMs and what these ATMs actually come in. We get them shipped straight from the factory, so they're still in the boxes and such. And so we're gonna go get Chipotle. This is Kelsey Lewis, ladies and gents.
Yeah.
We just got here. We're gonna grab our food to go with all these crazy times that we got going on. Cool, thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Chipotle. Alright guys, we secured the bag. I'm gonna show you guys these ATMs. Let's do the dang thing. Alright guys, showed up to the office here. I'm gonna show you guys these ATMs. I'm gonna show you what they come in terms of the boxes. It's quite spectacular, I'll be honest. These are the ATMs. Boxes shipped straight from the factory that come out to be like this. Chipotle looks fire, ladies and gents. What's going on, ladies and gents? So we just left the office. As you guys saw, got a clean freaking fade, man. Got a nice haircut. Shout out to Corey, he's the boy. Actually saved me because I needed a haircut so bad. We're on our way to the casa. I'll show you guys the new upgrades. We actually just got a pool table. I'll show you guys our pool table. Gangster pool table, made in the US too. It's dope. It's an 8-foot pool table. I'm not that good at it, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. I'll get good at it. It's all good. Come here. Oh, how are you? Oh yeah, you're good. Oh. We're here. Just got home. Had to say hello to the pup, the woman, Coda Ray. Follow me. I'll show you guys the pool table real quick. This is little Miko for the OZ that haven't met her yet. This is little Meeks. How old is she, baby? 5 months. Good little puppy. Cuddler too. We're slowly kind of making some stuff happen. Obviously, we've got to hang the pool racks. We're gonna paint this wall black and put like an Alec Monopoly painting right here. Obviously, this is our new pool table. We actually got this, honestly, this was a couple days ago. They delivered it when we thought we were gonna be in quarantine. It was super gangster. Came and delivered, it was super dope. I'm excited about this. Austin and I love pool, we love pool. It's a good business play because you're able to have conversations with individuals while, you know, drinking a glass of scotch. Obviously I don't drink, but like, you know, just enjoying yourselves. It's a good way to entertain. I'll be right back. All right. Can you tap her face?
Oh.
All right, guys. Got Coda right here. I got my fresh fade. Check it. Corey did the works. That was a wrap. It's Monday. Wild, solid day. Drop in the comment section below if you guys would like to see some more vlog style, life, business, the whole nine. If you guys like this style, then we will go hard. Obviously today was Monday. My sister flew in today, so you know, there was a lot of things we did do and then a lot of things we didn't do. I know tomorrow that we're going to be installing a couple of ATMs. I know throughout the week we'll be installing a couple of ATMs. I know we got a couple of wholesale deals that are happening. I know we got a couple of fly-ins that are happening as well. You know, so for everybody out there that is traveling, make sure and travel safe. If you are not fired up, then I strongly recommend each and every single one of you guys to get fired up, because if you don't fire up, you fire yourself. Hey. And if you haven't already, make sure and go freaking like this video for me really quick. I'm sitting in my puffy, fluffy, what do you call these, baby? Fluffy pillows. Yeah. Fluffy pillows. We got the fish tank, got the whole nine. Got Miko. And we're making it happen. So if you guys haven't already, make sure and go subscribe to your boy. Your boy appreciates it. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Each of us is one of us. One of us is all of us. Any last words, Coda?
That's right.
That's right. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in another video.